are back in the Bronx today, continuing our Best of the Bronx series, walking into a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, a very sunny 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and you're going to see this apartment is very, very topside on closets. This is the bedroom. We just walked in from a small hallway. You don't walk right into the apartment. Great windows, 2 big windows. Pan back around here. Queen size bed easily fits here with 2 nightstands and a small dresser. Let's take a look at this closet. This could be a home office right here. Very deep floor to ceiling. And look at this great white subway tiled, immaculate bathroom. Now you see the price at the top? We're not joking when we say we have the best values in the Bronx. Right, this is the hallway that we just entered. And again, I said we had lots of closets. We do. Take a look here. Floor to ceiling. And then we'll go through the hallway. This is an open kitchen living room. Another 2 big sunny windows here. Got a brand new stove. Take a look at that price. You'll see we're serious about the best deals in the Bronx. We're on the 4th floor of a very well managed and maintained walk-up building on the corner of West 238th and Bailey Avenue. There's a live-in super in the building. It's a great landlord. Really takes care of the building and the tenants. Come on down, take a look. I think you'll be happy when you come see this apartment. Thanks for watching.